Good morning, good morning. This is it. June 30th, 2023. My last day of going to the fire department. Retiring at 12 p.m. today. Class of 98. We'll all be stepping out when they're ready. I think we got 10 guys leaving today. Couldn't be more excited about the next chapter of my life. Work-life balance is top priority. More time surfing, more time at the beach, eating properly, getting it right, and I couldn't be more stoked. So here we go. Let's get this day started. Is this our last day? Hold on.
Yeah, no.
98. We're filming. So say hello. You're in my documentary. Filming. All right.
They're on Fox over at Q1, Platoon 4, Captain Doug Owen of Engine 3, Platoon 1, Firefighter Charles Barron of Engine 6, Platoon 2, Firefighter Stephen Larlett, and Firefighter Byron James of Engine 6, Platoon 4. You have faithfully served the residents and visitors of Atlantic City since April 27th of 1998. Your bravery, selflessness, and dedication has never gone unnoticed. Each of you have been an asset to our department. Wish you the best of health, happiness, and success on your next adventure.
Let's hear it for the big asset!
There you have it, folks. Totally retired from the fire department. Gave you a little clip of my last couple days. I did film a lot my last year, so I will be dropping a documentary of our daily lives in the fire department. That's coming. Again, I got a ton of footage. Do that over the winter. It's been a couple months since I released a vid, but all for good reason. I've been working on my work-life balance since retiring from the fire department on July 1st, 2023. Approximately 76 days. Not that anyone's counting, but I am. I've been to the beach 76 days in a row for some sort of activity, either coffee or been surfing and getting it in. All while working on my plumbing business. My next move's in retirement, which is of course going to be the plumbing business. Teaching and preaching my company, the young players that I have, including my two sons. We're working very hard on everything from ops to SOPs to being all over the map with growing too fast while in the firehouse and not be able to but to maximize the system to be efficient. So we're working really hard to repair stuff right now. In the meantime, we got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, working on my shop tremendously. Going to get some vids. My trucks, I hired a shop guy now, and things are just becoming repaired and a little more efficient as we go. If I fix something every day, it's going to be a little better tomorrow, and that's our motto right now. I love it. My mindset is tremendously calm now. Before, I was always chasing the fire department, chasing the plumbing business, chasing my lifestyle, going to the beach and always running from one to the other. It was chaotic. 25 years of that. Thank God I made it out safely. Appreciate all my peers. They're still there working. And most of my classmates have retired with me. So that's the update. In the meantime, we've been filming. We've been filming a lot, and we got a lot of good stuff coming down the pike, from everyday jobs to a vlog to daily ops. You name it, we're filming it, and we plan on dropping it and coming to a screen near you. We also picked up a special new team member back with the squad to be announced very soon. Having some fun and getting it done. This gentleman was in big part responsible for me getting started on this channel. We did some surf vids, and next thing you know, we're making plumbing vids back in 2018. So stay tuned, we'll make that announcement, and then we're going to carry on with filming every day our operations, from stuff that we may think is stupid but you may find interesting. And again, my ego is not out there, and the idea is that we show you, film, let us know what we can do better. Ultimately, I'm in the plumbing service business, hydronic heating, drain cleaning, and trying to serve the customers, serve my young people, the proper teaching, the proper methods. No one's ever perfect. We're not, but we're always trying. So that's one of our big things moving forward, is training our gentlemen. No ladies yet, except for in the office, but training is going to be a big part of our operations, building our guys from the ground up, and that's the plan. Been working hard, and it's been nice. Been seeing some nice young plumbers growing into mechanics. Another task I want to put into my schedule, 3-4 years into YouTube, I had answered every comment on my channel at least once. I'm starting to circle back, and I don't know how far I am behind. I'm sure it's quite a bit, but they're going to start getting answered, and I want to stay up to date on that, because if it weren't for you guys, this channel wouldn't even exist. So we do appreciate all the time spent, the questions, the comments, the bashes, the critiques, the super plumbers out there, the plumbing police all over me. We love it. We encourage it. We embrace it. So let her rip. We will see you in the comments section for sure.